So today I'm bringing a really fun tutorial on how to use scent portables. For those of you who don't know what scent portables is, it is the car air freshener range of Bath & Body Works, and you get all the fragrances of Bath & Body Works for your car. So let's begin the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to use it, how to install a scent portable, and for how long does it last. So there are two types of holders which come. One is this. This is the visor clip which we can attach to the visor, and the second component of it is the refills. So I've got two refills here. One is Sweet Pea and one is Endless Weekend. Sweet Pea is one of my favorite. It's a very floral, fruity flavor, and I haven't tried Endless Weekend, but there are multiple other fragrances. You can pick which one is your favorite and have it for your car. So there are two kinds of holders available on Bath & Body Works. Either you can order a visor clip which looks like this. This is the most basic one, or you can order the one which attaches to your AC vent. So choose your preferences, and there are so many color and designs, and there are really cute designs as well. So choose from those. These are exclusively made to fit in this holder, so you need to buy both of those. Today I'll be using the Endless Weekend one. So this is a fairly easy process on how to install the refill. What you do is, there is a plastic here which we remove. We slowly pull out the plastic covering the seal like this. Okay. And carefully take the foil off. So once the foil is off, there is a liquid inside, and which is the fragrance, and there is a film on top. Make sure you don't puncture this or don't disturb this at all, otherwise all the fragrance would be out. Now we open up the scent portable holder, and there is a groove right here where this refill would fit right in. It's so simple. You close the scent portable and it's ready to install on your visor. This is a visor clip, so this will go here, and it's there. It's so easy to install, and it will make your car smell like your favorite Bath & Body Works perfume. What else? I would suggest why to keep it on this side rather than on the driver's side is because sometimes the smell might be a botheration to the driver, so it's better to keep it away and it would still do its job. Next, let us talk about how much does this cost in India. I ordered this from Bath & Body Works official site, and I had ordered this in sale, so I got this for around 300 rupees, and the refill cost me around 250 each. So you can buy as many as you want, and they claim that this will last for around 3 to 4 weeks. So this is it. I hope you like it, and I hope that it was useful. Do try it, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Do all the good stuff, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll meet you in tomorrow's video. Bye.